Hi, it's Raj Mupala here. AI is exploding, and a lot of parents like us, we always think, how our kid could be really ready with AI. And more importantly, also, they're doing a lot of studies, and we want to understand, how our kid could be really good in academics. So we've built Applaa to actually have this one stop solution with everything like learning academy with a lot of questions and quizzes and Olympiad and everything, so that you guys don't need to spend a lot of time and money, like 40 pounds an hour for tuitions and many preparation things, and time consuming and cost for GCSE preparation, Olympiads, and a lot of things, right? Revisions. So it's really costing time and money for parents. So that's why we built Applaa. And I'll show you also the core learning platform so that it will have all the lessons as well as your revisions and for self-explanatory questions and answers and lessons revisions, and as well many things about practice and assessment. So let me show you straight in action about the platform what we built. Once you sign up with Applaa Academy, here an example with applaa.com/UK, we've got a free 1 month trial. You can able to get directly to installing the application, which is Applaa powerful secure desktop application. This is how it looks like. So we've got quite a lot of components all the way from core learning to practice, like 36,000 questions every year, different languages. You've got mock tests, you've got Olympiad type of questions and brain training, a lot of things. Let's focus today on core learning. So core learning is really about, say an example, your kid is in year 9. Once they set up their profile, you can able to see all the lessons ready for him. They can choose, okay, I want to see math, computing, English, physics, geometry, chemistry, biology, and all the subjects. Once they choose it, they can able to see all of the subjects here. Example, math, they can see all the way from numbers to this. And let's look at an example, histogram. So I just want to understand, okay, every topic has got a lesson. So let's go with the first lesson one. Understand the bar charts. It's got a very good explanation about what the topic is and what is core concepts, and also like something for practice at the bottom. And also once they're done with this, they can able to go and practice a little bit more about, okay, what is this question about? Example, you can really see maybe this an example correct, and also it will give you an answer next question. I like that. And also, you've got a lot of explanation about what is the data in your own words. You can see the assessment. And again, you can choose easy, medium, and hard. You can also see the complexity of, exactly how you wanted to, make it ready in 10 questions, 20 questions, like that. So it's really, really powerful. Once it does that, go to the next chapter, which is also it will explain about, what this chapter is, pictograms, and it will explain the lesson objective, what it exactly looks like, what is the core concept, and some explanation about this, things and summary and practice. It's very, very contained, and you can able to see quite a lot of things. And the next lesson is time series. You can directly see where that lesson is about, time series. And also then you can see an example. This is how the time series will look with an explanation and also the core concepts and practice. It's every topic has a very good revision. Also histograms I just explained how it looks like, and cumulative frequency. You can see the details like there. So that's really powerful. And once you click this chapter, you can also look at the status how it is on. Most importantly, I'll show you something. We've got 24/7 tutor. Kids are at home and we parents are busy and we don't have time to sit with them to explain, and teachers may not explain all the things that properly. So you have this here. Simply, you can just go back to your, say an example here. I want to use my provided. Once you switch to that, so you can able to ask, okay, I want to understand a little bit more on box plot. Can you explain more on box plots? So it will actually take the question. Also, I've been asking questions. Also, see an example, what is geometry? And it will really explain a lot of things. It's like your 24/7 tutor, so you don't need to worry about anything being that expensive tuitions, and it will save you a lot of effort also for you. So that's really cool. And if you're really stuck with anything, I just wanted to pick up this lens, and okay, I want to understand a little bit more about that. It actually picks up that question, and also it will just give you an answer also for you. So that's really as simple. So it's really powerful to see. And it's got quite a lot of things. If you can go back to, I want to understand, really any mode you want to see, full screen mode, you can go back and, however you want to do it. And I want to see the full screen mode, everything is available. So do that. And once you do with one subject, you can go back to any subject like computer science. You can able to do like everything has got also the same level of thing, lessons, practice, and programming is about giving a computer instructions, right? So that's about it. So you can really go like this, and as you can every topic, every lesson is there in English and physics. forces, light, sound, electricity, energy, and chemistry, biology, history, and religious studies, and geography. And you can really see quite a lot of things exactly managed, nice way about how it works on, right? So. And that is how it's the topics are. And also, you can see the progress of exactly where you are and also at what part of your things as well. So this is really, really powerful, comprehensive revision as well as all the lesson summary so that you don't need to worry about having the expensive tuitions, paying 40 pounds to like, 200, 300 pounds a month. So it's all as your companion, also 24/7 AI tutor available for you. So it's really powerful. And also beyond that, you can able to do quite a lot of things about practice if you want to do. Okay, now I'm good with the revisions. I want to practice all these questions. Okay, I can able to go back and see, okay, I want to understand, okay, what is read out loud. It will do also for you. So an example, I'll just give an answer, maybe three. Just it will also tell you correct. So it will also explain to you what it is. An example. Also, it will give the time and everything. So it's really powerful about that as well. You could see, and you can pick up any topic like English and mock tests and Olympiad and many things. Also, you can directly see, I want to study that thing as well. So it will give a question, and also more importantly, you don't need to pay that expensive like 100 pounds a class, going to the Olympiad and getting physical papers. We've got like thousands of question bank from the previous questions, and also AI will actually create a lot of interesting things over here. And also the questions I can able to see, okay, let me answer could be maybe 60, right? Or wrong, incorrect will give an answer as well. So you've got everything in one package. And also if you're really good with this, you can able to do quite a lot of things about, memory match, many things like that you can do. And I'm just giving an example to see how you can able to go back and things like that. Yeah, so this is really powerful. And so this is all about Applaa's Learning Academy. We'll talk about other features later, but this is actually it's a comprehensive platform, as you could see, all the way revisions from class one to, year one to year, obviously 11 plus as well. So with all revisions, practice, and be many questions and assessments as well. So hope this is really useful. All I suggest is if you have, go to applaa.com/UK, register free there. And that way, at least you can get a 1 month of free trial and a very good discount also after that. Thank you so much for listening and have a good day.